Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today I want to do the lab test for Hvac Bmma 3543. Let's go. Hi, for the question number 1, display how you identify the high pressure port and low pressure port at the actual vehicle. So now I'm doing the test at my car, which is Proton Iswara manufacturing in 2005. So let's go, we check out where the port is. Okay, so actually I'm really lucky, so my port is close to each other like this. Okay, as you can see, this is the high port and low port sit to each other. So for Iswara, it's easier to find port, and the port have the enough place to you achieve it. So that's how I identify my port. Okay, we go to the next question. Okay, hi, I'm back again. So for the question number 2, perform the checking for refrigerant leak by visual at the actual vehicle. So for question number 2, I have to perform a checking for the leak at the refrigerant. So first we have to start the engine and turn on the AC. So for this task, I'm using the soap method because I don't have any method to use. So I have less equipment. So the idea that I think can work by using the soap. Okay. So if you can see over here, I'm already soaped the span, so we can test that the hose is leak or not. So for the part, I'm using 2 part. First, I'm using the hose that connect to evaporator and compressor. Like put a bubble, so we can wait and see any reaction. So as you can see over there, there's no leaking at the hose. So we go to the pot. So I'm put the bubble. Okay, for the pot also don't have a leaking from there. Okay, so that's 2 spot that I can reach for my car. So thank you. Okay, for the conclusion, there's many types to find the leaking in our hatchback system, such as we can use a green liquid with UV light, so we can know where the leaking was, and also we can use the ultrasonic sound meter. Okay, everything in this video that's leaking or inspection, I'm so sorry and thank you. Goodbye.